Hello, today we are playing Ultimate Chicken Horse with Elephant. I'm the chicken with the football helmet.
And I'm the elephant.
So, this game, you grab an item every turn and then you place it down. And whoever makes it to the end gets points. But if everybody makes it to the end, no one gets points. And the first one to win wins. I got you with the punching glove, Elephant. Ah! I thought it was closer. Coin. So if you grab the coin, you can bring it to the end, and then you win. Cannon! That was our audience. There. No! Fell off. Elephant fell off. No! My God. Elephant, when you touch the back area, it becomes blocks the next round. I have a black hole. If you fall, you have death. No! Okay. Am I gonna get the points?
Punch.
No! Oh my God. Party box. Coin! Coin! If you take the cannon, you get a coin. Oh. Elephant! No!
Punch.
No!
That was so funny.
Okay. I blew up the thing in place.
That's not nice.
Too bad. Ooh, fire shooter.
Hey.
No!
Fall.
I'm spider chicken.
You're getting sucked in.
I'm spider chicken.
Bye, spider chicken. Fall.
No! What?
Ah!
I would have made that if I didn't activate the punching gloves and got hit by it.
I don't like that you keep hurting me.
Too bad. Party box. Gonna explode. The punching glove. Because that's annoying. Cannon. No. We have to go on the top. No!
Yes.
You blew up the punching gloves at the start. Die, elephant! Okay. Bam! I'm gonna make it impossible. I think. No! No!
You have to stand up at some point. Ah, you got shot, man.
I already got shot. I stole the bomb. I'm gonna explode this. No! I missed the flame. It didn't even explode anything.
Oh well.
Get the bomb. There we go.
Why don't you blow the fan on?
Cause it's possible to get over. See?
I can't get over.
Got a coin. No. Let's go.
I can't get over. Oh,
Yes, you can.
I get sucked in the
You
black hole.
can. Let's go.
Nah, shut down.
Yes! Yes!
You're welcome.
That was all me.
It wasn't.
Haha.
Thinking noise. I'm still thinking.
No. It's basically impossible now. No! Haha. Haha. No winners, no points. Wait, 3 turns left. We forgot to change the settings. No! Flower. Ah! No! No! Elephant, you made it impossible. You made it
No,
impossible.
you put the fan there.
No, you put the black hole there. You could jump over the fan.
I can't jump over the fan. Look.
Well, I can.
But I can't. I'm an elephant. I'm too heavy.
We need a nuke. Just hold B.
Okay, get rid of that fan.
I got a bomb.
I got a barbed wire.
I'm gonna get rid of the black hole. Martin, I'm not getting rid of the fan because I can jump over it, but Dad
Just
can't.
play. You can explain that later.
Why can't I place this in
You have to put it on a block. Like that. And
You're supposed to get rid of
Oh,
that.
no! No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. I told you that.
I can jump over it, but you can't. See, you can jump over it. Like, this is the last turn. Oh no. Jump over. No!
You can.
I'm pretty sure I win if there's.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure I win if I have the most points.
It's usually how games work, right?
No. Yeah, I'm the ultimate chicken.
Awesome.
Okay, that was ultimate chicken horse.
Hey, future Griffin the Gamer here. Anyways, the reason we got 2 items in Ultimate Chicken Horse, because 2 players gets us an extra box. Okay, thanks, bye.